You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names and more biblical names, some many mispronounced, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel to learn more and support, become part of the community. Javan. Javan is how you say the biblical name. If it was an adjective, that would be Javan, but now Javan is how you say the biblical name. Thanks for watching. More videos for you to learn more names from the Bible many get wrong. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.